Right now, the question on your mind is probably, where am I going to go to college? And if you're watching this video, then St. Lawrence College has possibly crossed your mind as an option. My name is William, and I'm a recent graduate from the 2-year business marketing degree at St. Lawrence, also an international student, and I would definitely like to recommend this program to any international students who are considering going to the college, or trying one of the other programs they offer. What I found initially coming in, as I'm originally from Anchorage, Alaska, I also grew up largely in Germany. And so I knew that Canada was a country that I wanted to kind of invest my future in. And likewise, that going to St. Lawrence College was going to be a good starting place for that, but it would also be an opportunity to really get a firm education that would set me up for a future career. What I found with St. Lawrence as an international student was that they actually help you through much of the application process. They make it very easy to get the paperwork and the guidelines you need in order to actually set up your coming to Canada, and they provide you with checklists and a lot of additional help to make sure that that process goes smoothly for you. Even once I was at the college, they do offer workshops and other events to make sure that you're set up if you want to apply for a work visa afterwards, or to help you get paperwork that you'll need for internships, that sort of thing. So I did find not only that as an international student, they were very helpful, but in general, they were also really focused on making sure that you are set up and prepared for a career path that you would like to go. They're not just educating you for the purpose of academia, but they're actually training you as much as they can to understand the details about the field that you're interested in and make sure that you get some connections and opportunities within that field. The faculty, especially, are amazing at St. Lawrence. No one is there just because they're a teacher. Everyone has worked in a real job before and has a lot of experience that they can share personally, as well as the valuable material that they're actually teaching you in class. That makes everyone a really great resource to network, to kind of learn more about your options going forward, and to educate and develop yourself as much as you can in your time there. In short, I would really recommend that experience. I feel that going out of St. Lawrence has really set me up to succeed in my own career path in business marketing. And likewise, I'm sure that it would do the same for you. So I would definitely recommend my time there if you are considering it. And thanks for taking the time to consider St. Lawrence College. Thank you very much.